Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to use the security hardening settings inside Ultimate Security. Security hardening hides details that give hackers clues about your site and adds further layers of protection. This helps close gaps that attackers often use to break in. The features shown in this video require both Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro to be active on your WordPress site. We start on the Ultimate Security dashboard. Now let's go to the security hardening settings. For that, we click on Settings in the top menu, then hover over Site Hardening and click on Security Hardening. This brings us to the Security Hardening page. This page applies security best practices to harden your WordPress installation, disable unnecessary features, hide your WordPress version, remove metadata, and add security headers. At the top, we can see a counter that shows how many features are turned on. This number goes up as we turn on more settings. Below this, there are 4 tabs. They are Access and Identity, Files and Directories, Headers and Fingerprinting, and APIs and Remote Access. We start on the Access and Identity tab. It helps protect user access and login security. The first setting here is Disable Anyone Can Register. This stops random people from creating an account on your site if you don't want open registration. Next is Prevent Login Feedback. Normally, when someone types the wrong username or password, WordPress tells them exactly which one was wrong. This setting hides that detail, so attackers trying to guess passwords get less information to work with. Let's turn this on. After that is Disable User Enumeration. Without this setting, attackers can discover your usernames through author archives and REST API endpoints on your site. We turn it on too. The last setting here is Block Common Usernames, like admin or root. Many attacks try these common usernames first, so blocking them removes an easy target. Here, we turn on the switch. Next, we go to the Files and Directories tab. It protects the files and folders on your server. The first option is Disable the built-in file editors. It prevents admins from editing plugins and themes files. Next is Prevent Code Execution in Uploads folder. This stops anyone from running harmful code that gets uploaded into your Uploads folder. Let's turn on this. Next is Disable Directory Browsing and Block Sensitive Files. We turn on Block Sensitive Files because it keeps important files, like the ones that store your site's configuration, hidden from public access. Now, we move to the Headers and Fingerprinting tab. This hides version info and adds security headers. It shows one setting here, Hide Your WordPress Version. We turn this on, because hiding your WordPress version stops attackers from easily checking if your site is running an older version with known security holes. Then we click the APIs and Remote Access tab. It controls external and remote access to your site. XML-RPC is an older WordPress feature that lets outside apps connect to your site. But it's also a common target for attacks where someone tries many passwords at once. Since some sites still rely on it for things like the WordPress mobile app or certain plugins, so it's worth checking your own setup before turning it off. Finally, with all the settings turned on, click Save Changes to apply settings. As we can now see, the number of features is enabled. Just above the tabs, there's a Reset button. We click it, and a window pops up called Reset All Settings. It lists the settings we turned on. It also warns that resetting will turn all of them off and that we'll need to save again afterward. We click Cancel to keep our changes. That's how you use security hardening in Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security videos. We will see you in the next video.